Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add sticky transparent header in your Shopify Trade Theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with Trade Theme, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share step-by-step easy guideline that will be very helpful for you. You don't have to hire anyone and you can do it without hiring any developer, any coding skills. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and you can see that I have designed this online store with Trade Theme, and if I scroll down, it's fixed on the top. I wanted to make it transparent on the home page and make it same for other pages. Also change the background color of header on the home page on scroll. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Now click on this three dot icon, edit code, and open theme.liquid file under the layout folder. Click on this file, scroll down, then you have to add code snippet in here right before int of head tag. So I'm going to add code snippet. Here is the code snippet. Okay, copy, paste, click on the save. Now go to the website, reload. Wow, the header is transferred right now, and if I scroll down, looks very carefully, the background change. So I hope you understand the easy process how to add transparent header in Shopify Trade Theme. But now the very important question, how you will get this code snippet. To get this code snippet, you have to become members of my YouTube channel, because this code snippet only for my members. Otherwise you have to write all the code by yourself. Looks here, looks very carefully. Okay, so also I share very exclusive video for only members. So if you become members of my YouTube channel, then you will get all my exclusive video and you can get early access of all new video. Also I share live support for my members. So when you become members, just send me a message. You will get all the communication link in the video description, like Facebook, WhatsApp or email. So hope you will become members and connect with me. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.